di match no enso echipa ye demo no Bechem United etrefie ema coach Frimpong Manso ene ne mrante no ekotwa omo ekamienu omo ntimi antinti Bechem United 0 baby any Gold Stars 2 and our friends so Baseke Holy Stars omo trefie ehye Vision FC ekaba kwa Vision for no ntimi ante Ediana Stars ehye ekamienu Continental Club Masters has baby Heart of Lions etnefie shekabako editia mediama for no enso entimi ante Nations FC ewo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex omo she ekabako editia Dreams FC omo entimi ante Face Masa Endra Brantia no adwuma ne kama na what the nation's capital Accra Sports Stadium na attention no enso ewo ye pa na Accra Lions etnefie ehye kamiensa tienie omo she ekamiensa eritia Kumase Asante Kotoko one time club of the century omonso entimi ante kaninti Asante Kotoko ekote to form say bibram league table no say eretie after 27 matches our Ghana Premier League no baby any Gold Stars omo na LED omo 50 points omo biemo Samson and Nations FC abetoso mienu omo 48 points Asante Kotoko etoso miensa omo 47 points entino baby any Gold Stars LED Asante Kotoko 3 points and so Heart of Lions etoso and 9 almost 44 points enumno Samates almost 41 points Midiama etoso 41 points House of Folk and so almost 41 points Bechem United etoso and watching almost 40 points and our friends so and Kunono Dreams FC almost 36 points Eduno Brekum Chelsea almost 35 points Ediana Tosu Dubako almost 35 points Edumi Enuno Baseke Holy Stars almost 33 points and our friends so Dumi and Sano Young Apostles almost 33 points Accra Lions free Asio Ababe Tosu Edunai with 29 points and our friends so Vision Tosu Edunum almost 29 points our friends so Karela United 28 points or the 16th position and edun so no Legon Cities omo so omo jai league ne bonti omo eda ase away and so league table no said etie omo mame Endra MVPs no players etimi win na ye abrantia ye friend Sakite on so Young Apostles any Brekum Chelsea on the man of the match offense Emmanuel Kobi Essien Samates any Karela United on the man of the match Gideon Anaba Bechem United ni baby any Gold Stars or J man of the match Francis Otain Baseke Holy Stars any Vision FC on the man of the match Sam Adams Adriana any House of Folk on the J man of the match Ebenezer Aban Heart of Lions any Midiama on a J man of the match Faisa Chaute Nations FC Dreams FC on a J man of the match and Abrantia Yefreno Gidas Jacob Aute Alonso and a man of the match Accra Lions any Kumase Asante Kotoko Omoma no statistics no na yemfenim komo Endra 8 matches and a boy home wins no teams na etena fie win ni no bako and so Gold Stars pre and Endra otimi kwa we eko win ya mo draw 8 matches ay boy nim ye share 15 goals home goals no na 12 away goals no na 3 and so Go King chart no say NT the Ghana Premier League. Faisa Chaute Ablante no ashe 11 goals Ghana Premier League. Steven Amankona ashe 10 goals. Prince Cheneboa 8 goals. Aye Atakumi and so ashe 8 goals. And Joseph Eso and so etimi ashe 8 goals. Abet Amoa and so etimi ashe 8 goals in the Ghana Premier League. Way aye Abakosem kakra a tight Ghana Premier League no enso echia ena no pay ye de ema ewo Sompa 93.1 ena face Sompa TV so na ye ba be din kobo every coaches no enso aso ye endra matches ne ba na wie no coaches de ho ensem no enso ebro ene anopay na edi kind of coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum na yenin komo na after the game no Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum our head coach Edema Kumase Asante Korokono ye ensem say eno di tuja or say second goal ne buy na eno the players in Abembuye.
Yeah, I think the second goal just discouraged them. We're trying to encourage them to put themselves together because the game basically is about the effort. Once you lose the effort, that will be it. So I think when the second goal came, they just lost their focus and then created some space in them.
Eno head coach Edema Kumase Asante Goroko Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum ena Edesan Semino Etuja na yewie no erebusan say coach after Bechem United game no amount for trouble social media ne so ebi say wadwuma no wo form ti yenya wo kwan o se sansem no ote a enha ne kra mentally
to manage anything that I'm a mentally tough person. I know the nature of the profession I find myself in. Such commentaries will come. I have to stay focused. And for the players, individual differences. So some may be able to contain it. Some may not be able to contain it. And it will affect performance. But then, as you rightly said, a team that is at the summit of the table, it draws or it loses some vital points at home, and then suddenly from nowhere, negative commentaries or unpleasant commentaries begin to come in and around the team. Things that have I mean, when
eno Asante Goroko head coach Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum ena Edesan Semino enso etimi etuja no na yewie no ena yeni need ako Asante Goroko communication team no or your member ene yabusan say ni aso ho ana
kind of performance is not Canada and the set is over because you have a performance way and winning league and it's so shameful sir. You come and play a bottom line team like Accra Lions. With all due respect to Accra Lions, but the league table need their but like I said, their performance is below our expectation. Now, there was such a shameful football having here. It's sad. Sir Kotoko, with all the expenses and everything. You know, if I tell you how much we spend on Asante Kotoko per week, per match there, it will surprise you. But if with all this, now this is the kind of performance we as supporters.
Eno Asante Goroko communication team member need ako ena Edesan Semino enso etudwa no o se nim guase ma Asante Goroko se unitima ore e wase okobobo na mobebobo Bayani Asante Goroko fans ni bidi komo edi kaino omosi Asante Goroko mfimfi hono se ne panko yie
Masa, yani betchem, yashare TV home, ban a break here total. Yani betchem total break here from first up to 90 minutes. Yamina man, I'm going. To what I'm about, Miffy and PK, and click it. I shall go to the boys, I shall go to the boys, to a blame, into a new Kotaka. Yeah, but then I shall go to the ball, high, you can't, to the ball. Yeah, shall go to Bamsha.
Eti eno Asante Goroko fade chema MVP ono enyenyenyenye na de omni bechem United o man hwe bi o TV so ne morning koye na no ena Asante Goroko supporters no enso edi tudwa no mu wie no say opim so we de nana wonkwa so yesre wa yade ba ko pemae coach no onya de agya ne kwan
empam coach no onya de ogutim nanimu ase ase empam no onya de boss wo de wo be coach no pam no wo minimu pam coach no onya odum onya
as I think of the supporters, frustrations. I'm a journalist, grab it to be a from coach. I'm and no Kumase Asante Goroko. Now, Coach Bubaka Watara head coach Edema Accra Suffolk Endra Wodomano Enimgrasie Omoso Kwaje Kamienu or say na say Endra House of Folk yeni amebobo doma for na na bobo yeni amebobo.
Ghana play well. We didn't play football today. We give them all the chances to score us. Since the first half, we didn't play well. We play very bad. We accepted today we are not good. We are not good at all. We are good to talk and try to control. But today we are not good.
Coach Bubaka Watara or say now House of Folk yamebobo. Dia for na bobo. Na no any way na kwabna boate striker Edema House of Folk or say leg ni di omunyo mbeji. Eno House of Folk striker kwabna boate ene de sansem no enso etuja ye boche eriama na coach Frimpong Manso Endra ewo bechem first half no ye hwe ni team talk ne kakra.
Come on, please, come on. Let's use it.
Enti eno coach Frimpong Manso head coach Edema baby any goal stars first half ne corner we no na on the boys ne kase ni breso sa no na owie no osan eden sem kakra enso etimi etudwa eno nso say eno kan.
Yeah, for us we didn't want to concede and it was very, very, very difficult. But then when we had the first goal, yes, that forced them to also try to move forward, and then they created some spaces behind them. So we were using mostly on the counter attack, which also got us another goal.
Eno head coach Edema baby any goal stars sisia de ono ena adeda jirimu a waye kunko so wade hye na odi ade e wo Ghana Premier League table ne so a wabie mu 3 points gap between one Asante Kodoko eno no na ye boy chi enso Edema na ebre no ntino ye de afisem ni sinemom no mama me Abdullahi Ghazali head coach Edema Baseke Holy Stars ne voice in the fancy.
We needed this was a 3 points because looking at the way we lost our match in the away match against Accra Lions 2-1, we knew that when we come here and we lose this match, it will not go well for us. So we prepared towards our opponent. We saw them play in the first round, and to me, what I've seen today wasn't anything that they have changed. So I prepared the boys for us to play from our usual 3 back to 4-3-3 system, which actually.
Eno head coach Edema Baseke Holy Stars Abdullahi Ghazali ene de sansem no enso etmiesia na menu akwadwo Roxin o say ohwe live from Sogako Prekwadwo baby a obi ano peme enchi na mo abaso se onso o de ato Sompa TV na afenso Sompa 93.1 singo Nandra come back bebrebe ya bekata stadium so ya beso light nyina
obende sasa anatie
nentine ya hunehuna ananse
o na send omo ya na da o ma na afa but no ade no obi anim se
so omo so bekata stadium ne so
omo kata so
eno omo so light no ena aponko ni nso di
anya hwe
angosi
hwe enra ehunehuna kwa bra
se abon na omo tim na nye o
me kai kuma u doctor because yes achinche fa so obi ani so ehunehuna kwa mponko di bra
ndo ya patenti
masa no asna for na chireze omo are ready for Madrid and omo chire the reason why omo awuram semis
na se ye pon ball na hwe se akora bi ejina ye mfichire ho en wo bone se ade na ye ko ayeka
masa
sigo ya nkombra ye
Ghana no pay the full news my for live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook, and open latest. I'm running some yabuano no, and I dear one some guy to anima what you made so. Mammy Fontum when him Sanua, you went for Champions League, no, the second leg of the quarter finals, the 2 games and so on, and some let me bass. Remember the team of you, I'm an Arsenal, as I coach Omo Shoma Kamianua, Omo take Canada. baako de deɛ teɛ ɛnso ngane sɛ 5-1 on aggregate no Arsenal team no qualify to the semis a yɛde wɔn nsɛm ɛma mo ɛnso ɛwɔ Giuseppe Meazza San Siro ɛna the team no omu ba ho chibwani a obi a show ne yanko ka ne bienu anya grokra de tie enso ngane se 4-3 on aggregate ne inter team no enso nganya wura mo semi finals na no pai ye de won seminar no ngama mo dwumade nso nti only send for semi final pairing enso ngabetima ba so anya grokra tibinim se ngade semi final paris na ready a Onya Remo semi finals na nya bonsa almost some gonna Inter Milan team no ebetim some gadia buani anya grokura ana France na team no and some gonna Paris Saint-Germain ebetim some gadia buani tidiatia and some gonna the first leg of the semi finals diatia nyankopon ngaya duma 29th April ana adia sempo no that's the first leg of the semi finals no and ebetim some gato da Arsenal and Paris Saint-Germain ngabebo and 29th April na fe na de chiam ane ya TV no Barcelona enso ngane Inter team no enso ngade aboani ansa na second leg no enso ngati matodwane ya sees there's a 7th and there's an Inter Barca and Paris Saint-Germain Arsenal the second leg of the semi-finals and betum so nganya todwa unsen seminar no ya dem ngano so ma ya tiefo ena no pai e wo dwumade so ni na no enso ngaya di e todwa na mamin fontum wanim sa Rans aye ready a former me abra game no ngaba na wi Arsenal manager na ye fo na Ken Teta ngadi nkobopi la teta no watim so ngabewura mo Santiago Bernabeu adesa no so atim ade Arsenal team no enso ngatima qualify no se 90 bi adesa enura no chasa wan so da so no kra no obetim so ngadu sala vu enura watim so ngawura mo semi finals abro no etim so ngakoya sadia no e was Santiago Bernabeu yente Arsenal manager na ye fan Mikel Arteta after sanura watim so ngade Arsenal team no e qualify e was Santiago Bernabeu.
It's in my football career for sure, and really a special one. I mean, we played against the team with the biggest history. That has been an inspiration, I think, for all of us in this competition, and to be able to win the tie in the manner that we've done it, I think we have to be very proud of ourselves. I'm really proud because it's very difficult. It's my first time in that touchline, so I have no experience before to be in there. And after 2-3 minutes, you realize stadium. And I think you have to be there to realize that. And I got the feeling straight away. Something goes wrong, they score a goal, game on, and anything can happen. Fortunately, a lot of things went for us. A part of Bukayo's missing the penalty, but I think overall we did what we had to do to win the game. Really hungry, we want more. It's a really young team that is very determined, and all these experiences, including me, for sure.
Yes, I know. As the manager says, I am Mikel Arteta. Did two after the game. I don't want some mamo. Now Bukayo Saka and some Nakasa Piose. Before the game, who cause social media no so na omo kan remontada and to say san omo kwano ebua omo prepare ye for the game. Yentie Bukayo Saka after the game.
So more that it was against Real Madrid, does that make it feel bigger?
Yeah, it does, to be fair, because they're a great team, and obviously we beat them at home, and we saw all the stuff that was going on social media and stuff like that, saying that we're going to come back. So, you know, I think we showed great mentality tonight to come here. I felt we were really comfortable from the first minute to the last, and yeah, we showed our quality. So I'm so proud of it.
Yes, I know. Brother friends, I Bukayo Saka did two after the game. I don't want seminano. And some Gama Mojimedin Sonia Gracono Senra, Omuchas and Omi the best team. Our 2 games are a team told home and away between Omo and Madrid. No, Yentie Bukayo Saka. All right, Intini address Bukayo Saka. no more not prepare for the second leg or much as both home and away in and as the phone chess now we are better than mother than no pay. Yeah, I don't want to say we know what you media so nano. Hey, dear told you and I can't want Charlotte manager no like I said P was say and ra oh yeah gamer as and no mother phone boy yeah maybe BH as a first leg you know and it just a second leg ni nano na mother team no I had say on any day nya dey say no bet many Arsenal but now say Arsenal for the better but before yentie Bukayo Saka on both legs na no just say Arsenal team no we better than Madrid.
Them playing with much more confidence, and yeah, we watched them again last night and they were top. So yeah, we'll be ready. It will be a big challenge, a very good match, but yeah, we'll be ready.
Cats from when you last met.
Yeah, much different. I see them playing with much more confidence, and yeah, we watched them again last night and they were top. So yeah, we'll be ready. It will be a big challenge, a very good match, but.
Yes, and when some Bukayo Saka to Jano Pay, you don't some Charlotte, sir, young fan to das and Yamian Kuren so boa, and Yafina Bagas were petty Misubi, and he'll say, Arsenal team no both legs, you know, our Emirates and Benabao in Ano, Arsenal Chesa, when we are better as a Madrid team, the Carlo and Charlotte, Real Madrid manager no, after the game.
Perspective on how you feel tonight.
Sad, of course. We are out of this competition. That was really important. But to analyze, we want to analyze the both game. We tried to put more pressure on this this game. It was difficult because I think Arsenal defended as they are used to be. The team is really strong, above all defensively. And to be honest, they deserve to win this qualification, and I hope for them the best.
Any sort of excuses from your side? You were missing 3 first-choice defenders. Did that play any influence?
In the 2 games, we are better than happens sometimes in fear to the opponent, and we have to accept, of course, because this is a set part of football.
Winning some Real Madrid manager friends Carlo Ancelotti did 2 after the game. I didn't say no. And so Ngama Mojumadino Suna Thomas Muller. How some on the lady Bamunchi team and Koya Mukobo 2-2, but once the first leg in Inter Koshomu 2-1 in Tino Interphone was semi-finals. I know Anna Thomas Muller near Dinkomo. Afa in the future yentie Thomas Muller brana wori tudwa afa ne Bayern future say obeto so sia kan dia ma Bayern after the season and say e bi obeko na wakoto so ba bi yentie Thomas.
Yeah, I think in the next 1, 2, 3 months my contract is until end of July, until the end of the Club World Cup. So I have time to find the right mindset, to check some ideas, and then we will see.
Is there a chance that we can do this interview next year in the Champions League? We can do it again?
Chances are everywhere. I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know yet.
And you don't want to say?
No, I don't.
Yes, and when in Sama Bamunchi play friends, I Thomas Muller did 2 after the game and pay. Yeah, don't some mamma and I'm in front 2 and him sir. I ran telephone said Declan Rice on home and away in on a J man of the match. Now Declan Rice, I didn't come up here first of all. I had this how I feel is both legs in and no Declan Rice, man of the match. Declan Rice.
9. We've spoken about creating your own history, but what does that mean to you all?
It's massive, you know. An upward trajectory as a club, and you know I felt it in the players we've got and the direction we want to go in. It's been tough in the Premier League because we lost out last year on a point. This year it slipped away from us, but in this competition we've done amazingly well, and this club's going to do special things over the next few years. We all fully believe it. We have full trust in this manager. He's unbelievable, and we've got players like him coming through, Ethan, other young lads who really want it as well. So we've got a
yes, I know any some brother friends Declan Rice did 2 the watching here Busan say I send a feeling this city as one mother there bo home and away. Na first leg no bo 2 fantastic free kick and after round so some boss midfield no na send a feeling say oje man of the match. I won 2 games in against Madrid.
Real good mix, and look, like you said, semi-finals is massive for us, and we just want to take tonight in because we want to take it one step at a time. Now PSG next, who are an amazing team.
Well,
Anone sama declare the two dia no pay ya de won san ngama mama me fon to anim say UEFA Europa League no say uram on knockout stage na the tin say second leg no Basel Athletic Club Bilbao homo ngane Rangers but Frankfurt team no so na team ngamo and the Olympic Lone Bonina no UEFA Europa League second leg there's a to the anano pay here some mamma near Gina Suano per latest Amanesama I have born a dear sea and I'm here to my 190 share 4 times.